So today I'm going to be making some Jamaican seasoned rice with ackee and saltfish. So here I have all my ingredients prep. And Jamaican seasoned rice is a 1-pot meal simmered down in coconut milk. It's flavorful, it's so delicious. So here I have some ackee and saltfish, which is already cooked, or codfish you may know it as, and it's Jamaica's national dish. And if you're not aware, ackee is a fruit, and in almost every yard in Jamaica have an ackee tree. So seasoned rice is normally the quickest and more convenient pot to prepare, especially if you're running a boat. So because everything is nicely prepped, now to my pot, I'm going to use some cooking oil. Coconut oil would be great as well. And we're going to saute all the vegetables, starting with the garlic and onion. Also gonna add some mixed vegetable, which is very optional, but it gives it that pop of color. Also gonna add some minced scallion and peppers and some pumpkin. Seasoned rice is not the same without pumpkin. It gives it color and texture, and sauteing these vegetables allows them to release their individual flavors, making this one pot dish even more delicious. But come to think of it, I can't remember seeing my mother sauteing vegetables when making a seasoned rice. And my mother was the best in the kitchen. But you know, the younger generation kind of improve and tweak on recipes, making it sometimes better. Yes. And adding saltfish to your seasoned rice gives it that extra flavor. The majority of the salt was removed when boiling, but just enough remained to flavor this pot nicely. So now I'm going to add some black pepper and your favorite seasoning. Remember, this is a 1-pot meal and you want to flavor this up as nicely as you can. This is smelling so good. The Scotch bonnet pepper brings out the flavor. So now I'm gonna add 4 cups of coconut milk. Yes, and this seasoned rice is gonna simmer down in coconut milk. So even though this is one of Jamaica's fastest dish to prepare, it doesn't diminish in flavor. For extra flavor, Scotch bonnet pepper, scallion and thyme, black pepper, salt. You're gonna season this pot, hence the name seasoned rice. You're gonna flavor, you're gonna taste and adjust. So now that this is nice and flavorful, I'm gonna allow this to come to a boil. I'm also gonna add some butter. I did lose the footage of the rice, but I went ahead and added 3 cups of rice. Lastly, I'm gonna add the ackee that was already pre-cooked. I'm gonna give this a nice stir, and I'm gonna cover it under the lowest heat, and I'm gonna allow it to steam for about 15 to 20 minutes. So 20 minutes later, as you can see, the coconut custard has settled to the top. That is niceness. This 1-pot meal of seasoned rice just melts right in your mouth. Not to mention flavor. This was just absolutely amazing. I want to thank you so very much for watching. I'll try my very best to put the exact ingredient amount down in the description box.